Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Suha's English podcast. I hope you are doing well today. Hello, Lina. How are you today?
I'm good, Suha. And you?
I'm doing well. Today we have a very important topic for English learners.
Yes, because many people tell us the same problem.
They say, I understand English, but I can't speak.
Exactly. The new words and grammar, but speaking is still difficult.
And one big reason is translating.
Yes, many learners think in Arabic first, then translate into English.
And this makes speaking slow and stressful.
Sometimes you forget the sentence before you finish translating.
Exactly. So, today we will talk about how to think in English.
And how to stop translating in your head.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with someone who wants to improve their English.
Learning together is always easier. Suha, is it really possible to think in English?
Yes, but it takes practice. You don't start with long sentences, you start small.
What is the first step?
The first step is naming things around you. Look around you and say the names in English.
Like phone, table, door, window, chair.
Yes, don't say the Arabic word first or another language. Say the English word immediately.
That trains your brain.
Exactly. Little by little, English becomes natural.
What is the second step?
Second step is describing what you are doing.
Oh, that's interesting.
For example, I'm making tea, I'm cleaning my room, I'm studying English, I'm watching YouTube.
That sounds easy to practice.
Yes, you can practice anytime.
What if I don't know some words?
Oh, very important question. Don't stop speaking. Use simple words.
For example,
If you don't know a word like calculator, you can say the machine for numbers.
oh, that's smart.
Yes. Communication is more important than perfect vocabulary.
Sometimes I want to say long sentences.
Better start with short sentences like I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need water, I want to rest.
Yeah, short sentences are easier to remember.
And easier to say quickly.
Can we practice thinking in English every day?
Yes, daily practice is the secret. Even 5 minutes helps.
5 minutes is easy.
Yes, for example, when you wake up, think, I need to get up, I'm going to wash my face, I'm going to eat breakfast.
That is very practical.
Yes, real life English is the best practice.
Is listening helpful?
Very helpful. When you listen to English every day, your brain becomes familiar with the language.
Like podcasts and videos?
Exactly. Listen and repeat. Repeating helps a lot.
So, repeating is also important.
Yes, when you repeat sentences, you remember them faster, and later you use them naturally.
Sometimes people feel shy talking alone.
But talking to yourself is one of the best methods.
Really?
Yes, you can say, Today I am tired, I have work tomorrow, I need to study.
Nobody hears you.
Exactly. No pressure, no stress.
When will we see improvement?
If you practice every day, you will notice progress in a few weeks.
You will translate less.
Of course, and speak more naturally.
And with more confidence.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's make a small recap.
Today we talked about thinking in English.
We learned that translating slows you down.
Start with naming objects around you.
Then describe what you are doing.
Use simple words.
Add short sentences.
Listen and repeat every day.
And talk to yourself in English.
Before we finish, we want to ask you something.
Do you translate in your head when you speak English?
Or do you try to think in English?
Write a simple comment in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
We really enjoyed these conversations today.
Yes, it was simple but very useful.
We hope you learned something new.
If you like this episode, subscribe and share it with your friends and family.
Step by step, no stress. Thank you for listening to Suha's English podcast. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.